Hi, welcome to my workshop. You're a little early, but obviously you've heard that I'm about to open the doors of my workshop for a brand new YouTube show called Edd China's Workshop Diaries. Now it's all about hanging out in the workshop, fixing things, working on various projects, learning some new skills, exploring stuff, and talking to some interesting and inspiring people about their passions and their projects.
Look at that!
Obviously fueled by copious amounts of tea.
You realise, of course, you're still wearing your orange gloves, don't you?
I am, actually, yeah, but that's because I keep spilling my tea.
I'll also be helping out with some tips and advice for people who are stuck with their projects at home.
1 second, we're stuck on something.
And as I progress with my own projects, I'll be visiting experts and artisans to find out how they do what they do. It won't just be classic cars that get our attention.
She's alive again! Awesome!
We'll be playing with amphibians, boats, bikes, planes, pretty much anything we can get our hands on that tickles our fancy.
So here we go, this is going to be the world record attempt for the world's fastest all-electric ice cream van, so here goes.
And we'll be exploring engineering tradition and future technologies in equal measure. Now, a large part of what I've been up to in the workshop for the past few years has involved electrification and prototype development, so that's definitely going to feature in the show, as will a whole load of 3D design and modern manufacturing techniques such as CNC machining, 3D printing, and laser and waterjet profiling. What we're creating is a sanctuary for people who love all things engineering and automotive, for people who want to be in the know, who want to understand how things work and how to fix them, even if they never really intend to try. And the jobs, as always, are going to be covered in the in-depth, informative way that you will come to know and love, and have been crying out for quite some time. What are you saying? It is going to be a great ride, and I look forward to having you on board.